Let me ask you something. What if I told you you can start speaking English confidently in just 21 days? Sounds impossible, but it's not. Because the problem is not your ability. The problem is your approach. Most people try to learn English for years, but still struggle to speak. Why? Because they don't follow the right system. They learn too much, but practice too little. They wait to be perfect, instead of starting early. So in this video, I'm going to give you 7 easy tips that can completely change your English speaking in just 21 days. But first, understand this. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need practice, consistency, and the right method. Tip 1. Speak from day 1. Don't wait. Don't think I will speak after learning more. Start today. Even simple sentences. I am tired. I am learning English. I am watching a video. Start small, but start. Tip 2. Think in English. Stop translating everything. If you think in your native language, and then translate, you will always be slow. Instead, train your brain. Think, I am hungry. I need water. I'm going outside. At first it will feel difficult, but slowly, it becomes natural. Tip 3. Use daily life practice. Your surroundings are your classroom. Look around and speak. I am sitting on a chair. I am using my phone. I am watching this video. Also describe your actions. I am walking. I am opening the door. I am drinking water. This builds real confidence. Tip 4. Learn sentences, not words. Don't just learn words like go, eat, play. Learn full sentences. I go to college. I eat lunch at 2 p.m. I play cricket with friends. Also try to change the sentence. I go to college every day. I go to college with my friends. This helps your brain create patterns. Tip 5. Listen and repeat. Listen to English daily. Then repeat. Copy the way native speakers talk. Their tone, their speed, their pronunciation. Repeat one sentence 5 times. First slowly, then normally, then confidently. You will feel improvement. Tip 6. Practice every day. Consistency beats everything. Even 15 minutes daily is enough. Morning, listen afternoon, learn evening. Speak no gap. No excuses. Small effort. Every day. Big results. Over time. Tip 7. Don't fear mistakes. This is the most important tip. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. Even fluent speakers. But mistakes mean one thing. You are learning. If you don't make mistakes, you are not trying. Now listen carefully. If you really want results in 21 days, you need discipline. Not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays, even on days when you feel lazy. Do at least 5 minutes. Keep the habit alive. Also, start speaking alone. Yes, talk to yourself. It may feel strange, but it works. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen and improve. And one more powerful trick. Use English in your daily routine. Think in English when you wake up. Speak small sentences during the day. Review your day in English at night. For example, today I woke up early. I went to work. I learned something new. This builds fluency fast. Now let's talk about your 21-day plan. Day 1 to 7. Focus on simple sentences. Speak daily. Make it a habit. Day 8 to 14. Start speaking longer sentences. Add details. Think more in English. Day 15 to 21. Speak confidently. Don't stop. Don't hesitate. Just express yourself. If you follow this honestly, you will see real improvement. Remember, fluency is not magic. It's practice. It's repetition. It's consistency. So from today, take the 21-day challenge. No excuses, no delay. Start now. Tell me in the comments. Are you ready for this challenge? And I'll see you in the next lesson. Let's make English easy, fun, and powerful.